Are you questioning how safe Windows Defender is? You're not alone, especially after the Blue Hammer incident in April 2026, which put the data and safety of billions of users at risk. It's time to learn how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. I'll show you a few ways to do it and introduce you to the best antivirus alternatives. But first, it's important to know that once you do learn how to disable Windows Defender Windows 11, your computer will be unprotected and in a very vulnerable state. And that's why I left links to alternate antivirus providers for your Windows security that I trust. Don't forget to take a look. Seriously, protect your computer. Now on to the actual solutions. I'll start by showing you the manual steps for disabling Microsoft Defender antivirus. The first step is to disable tamper protection. To do that, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, press Virus and Threat Protection, and then Manage Settings. There, toggle tamper protection to off. Before moving on to the second step, just know that if this part is done incorrectly, it could cause system instability. So if you tend to want to be extra careful before doing this step, you can back up your registry. After that, press Win+R, type regedit, and hit enter. Third step, navigate to this directory. Fourth step, there, right-click on the right pane, New, and dword 32-bit value. Now for the fifth step, double-click it and set the value to 1. And as for the final step, restart your computer. Alternatively, to disable Windows Defender, you can also split from step 2 and use PowerShell as an administrator and insert this line of code. Again, keep in mind that both of these steps to disable Windows Defender are highly intrusive. While they eliminate the inconvenience of Windows Defender, they also introduce a serious risk. If malware infects your PC afterward, it could block the installation or activation of other antivirus software, and that would leave the system unprotected and could ultimately require a full clean reinstall of Windows. And in rare situations where malware reaches the BIOS, recovering the PC may demand even more drastic features. So, should you disable Microsoft Defender? Yes, if after doing that, you immediately install another antivirus software. Once Windows Microsoft Defender detects another AV, it simply shuts down and lets that newcomer take over. Over the years of testing, I have my top 3 best antivirus providers that I suggest you use instead of Windows Defender, and they are Norton, Total AV, and Bitdefender. To quickly reach any of them, scan this QR code or click the links in the description. All 3 are budget-friendly, won't drag your system down with built-in optimization tools, and consistently score higher than Defender in independent malware detection tests. But their benefits don't end there. Each provider has its own strength. For example, Norton's biggest edge on Windows 11 is its AI-powered protection layer. Newer attacks don't slip through it because it spots threats not only by known signatures, but also by behavior. Another strength of Norton is that it's a full security bundle, meaning that in addition to core antivirus features, you also get scam protection that flags suspicious texts, calls, and emails before you click anything you'll regret. Next up, Total AV. If your laptop has been feeling slow lately, this one's worth a look. Beyond solid malware protection, Total AV comes packed with system optimization tools, junk file cleanup, startup manager, and browser cleaner. It's like an antivirus and a tune-up in one. Plus, it's one of the most affordable options of the 3. And as for Bitdefender, it excels at anti-phishing and scam protection, actively blocking fake login pages, sketchy links, and sites built to steal your data. Another thing I find useful is their autopilot mode. You just set it up once, and then Bitdefender handles everything in the background. So all in all, how good is Windows Defender? People have their doubts, but it's definitely a worse idea to deactivate it and stay without any antivirus protection at all. With that in mind, all 3 providers I just mentioned, Norton, Total AV, and Bitdefender, are undoubtedly better options to consider. And remember, in the description you'll find the best deals for each provider's plan, so be sure to take a look. And that's all, folks. Leave a comment if you tried using my tutorial, and also let me know which of the 3, Norton, Total AV, and Bitdefender, you think is the best option. Until next time.